Fold your fabric in half using your highest body measurement and take your shoulder measurement plus ½ inch sewing allowance. Your round arm, divide by 2. So take your neck measurement, 5" for the depth and 3" for the width. Draw your lines. Create a V-neck. For the neck depth, I took 1.5" at the back. So I'm taking my shoulder to bust measurement. And then I went down 3 inches for under bust measurement. And then I took 1.5" for joining allowance. Then I'm taking my shoulder slope. Then I'm connecting it to my neck width. So I'm taking my bust measurement, divide by 4. My under bust measurement, divide by 4 plus. I'm adding allowance because I'm using a woven fabric. I'm connecting the markings. I'm sorry that what I've been using to mark is not clear. So I'm taking nipple to nipple measurement, divide by 2 for darts. So I took 1" from the under bust, from the bust, and then 1.5" at the both sides. Then I connect my lines. So I'm just taking half of round measurement and create a curve. I'm taking the allowance to join the shoulders, ½ inch. So I'm cutting the back first, the back neck first. So I'm using these bodies to cut the back, the front bodies to cut the back. So I took 1.5 inch for zipper allowance. Then I cut the front neck. So I'm just tracing the lines so that I can transfer them to the back. I'm taking a chest line and the bust line. So I'm recreating my ducks, but this time I'm taking 1 inch under the chest line, from 1 inch under the chest line. I'm opening the back for zipper. So to cut the skate, you will have to minus your bodies to your full length, and the remainder will be your skate. So I'm taking measurement from underbust to the full length. So I took 12 inches from the underbust to the bust to the hip, and then I took the underbust measurement plus 2 inches sewing allowance. I took the hip measurement plus 2 inch sewing allowance. And I connect my line from the underbust down to the full length measurement, going straight. I'm taking 6 inch above the knee, and then I'm creating a V shape, which means from that 6 inch I'm taking it down to the full length. And cut the back skate. Don't forget to add your allowance, the joining allowance at the top, and the folding allowance at the bottom of the skate. Then I'm cutting the V. So here I'm cutting a long strap so that I can gather. I took 10 inch wide width so that it can cover the 6 inch that we took above the knee. So I did not have enough fabric, that is why I had to join 2 pieces to make it long. To cut the sleeve, I used the pattern that I have. I'll put the link below on the description. So I only took 6 inch, including the hemming allowance and the sewing allowance. So after sewing your darts, cut your lining. So I use the same fabric as a lining for the bodies. So you do as you see, and sewing the lining for both the back and the front. Close your skirt until where the zipper will end. So connect your back bodies to the back skirt using the allowance that we have put. If you have left 1 inch, use 1 inch, but if you have left 1.5, use 1.5. Yes, so after connecting the skirt and the bodies, it's time to put your zipper. Now you connect your front skirt to the front bodies. Now you will join the front and the back at the shoulders. You will use that 1/2 inch allowance. Then connect your sleeves. After connecting your sleeves, you will join your dress on the side. You include the sleeve. Gather the strap. You can use any kind of gatherings that you prefer. Whether you use needle and thread, or you use your sewing machine, or your gathering foot, anything that you can use. And then while joining, start at the middle where the V starts, and then you will end at the middle and then close it. This is our finished dress. If you've liked this tutorial, don't forget to put your like, and then if you love to join us, don't forget to subscribe. Thank you.